This week's topic on Satideh Mawnin Runnings. Christmas round the corner. This Saturday on Satideh Mawnin Runnings at 10 a.m., we're diving into the Caribbean Christmas memories. Remember scrubbing the wall and yard like Queen a come? Sorrel bubbling on the stove? Black cake seasoning from September. New curtain, new bedspread, even peacock, but the same old cheer. We're laughing, reminiscing, and sharing how Christmas prep in Jamaica and the Caribbean shaped us. Bring your memories. Come reason with us and get ready to laugh because Christmas round the corner. Watch live on YouTube at Voices with Lady D, Satideh Mawnin Runnings, where culture meets conversation.